Halo, perkenalkan nama saya
Halo.
David.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Miranda Karisma Putri.
Kita dari kelompok 1 akan membahas tentang morning sickness.
Kita mulai ya. Halo, good morning.
Good morning, Miss. Come on. Please have you seat, Miss. Can I make now? Oh, the Miss name and where he live?
Thank you. My name is Dwi and I live Cipayung, East Jakarta.
Can I help you?
Yes, mother. I'm now 3 months pregnant. Every day I feel nauseous and want to vomit. I don't like to eat. I feel bad and irritated because my clothes are not neat.
Mother, pregnant feel nauseous and there is irritation with the mother physical sense.
Yes, mom.
Wait a minute, ma'am. I will measure your blood pressure. Excuse me, ma'am. How does the mother feel with the pregnancy?
I'm very happy, especially this is my first child.
Your family must be happy too, ma'am. Your blood is normal.
Midwife, how was my pregnancy?
You experience nausea and vomiting in pregnancy is normal. It is normal. You vitals are with normal weight. Morning sickness is a common symptom of pregnancy and is marked by nausea and occasional vomiting. Despite the name, morning sickness can cause discomfort at any time of the day. Morning sickness usually happens with the first 4 months of pregnancy and is often the first six then a woman is pregnant. There are various why do alive morning sickness and complications are rare.
What caused morning sickness?
Cause of morning sickness, there are not one cause of morning sickness during pregnancy, and severely varies among women. Increased hormone level during the first few weeks of pregnancy is among the most common causes. Reduction of blood sugar is another common cause of morning sickness.
Mm, Is there any other factor basis that?
Other factors can worsen morning sickness. There is include having twins or triple, excessive fatigue, emotional stress, frequent traveling. Morning sickness can vary between pregnancies. While you have had severe morning sickness during one pregnancy, in future pregnancy it may be very mild. Possible complication of morning sickness, nausea and vomiting can easily cause a lot a loss of appetite. Many pregnant women worry that this will harm their babies. Male morning sickness is in general not harmful. Women, women who experience morning sickness well beyond the first 3 to 4 months of their pregnancy should speak with their doctor. Also, see help if you aren't getting and wake during pregnancy.
Does morning sickness have a bad effect on babies?
Morning sickness is actually not safer enough to handle fetal growth and development. For some pregnant women, nurses causes of the two experience severe vomiting and weight loss. This condition is called hyperemesis gravidarum. It causes electron imbalance and unintentional weight loss. If less untreated, the condition may eventually harm your baby.
What characteristic indicate that my baby is in the danger?
Call your doctor immediately if you experience inability to keep phone down, weight loss of 2 pounds or more, fever, infrequent urination with small quantity of dark colored urine, like tendons or disease, was heartbeat, severely nauseous with the second trimester, blood in your vomit, frequent headaches, abdominal pain, spotting or bleeding, severe bout of morning sickness, general require hospitalization, hyperemesis gravidarum of often require intravenous fluid for rehydration.
I still have more question. Is there a way to reduce morning sickness?
Treatment for morning sickness. You doctor may prescribe a supplement or medication to alleviate nausea and help you retain food and fluid. Medication your doctor may prescribe include antihistamine, pentazocine, metoclopramide, antacid. Don't, do not take the medical on your own without first talking with your doctor. Some people find the alternative remedy may also help prevent morning sickness. Make sure you only there after first discussing them with your doctor. Just remember include vitamin B6 supplement, renal vitamin, ginger product including ginger oil, ginger tea, and ginger drops, salted crackers, and acupuncture hypnosis. This test for morning sickness. Based on your sample, your doctor may order some tests to make sure that you and your baby are safe. This include urine tests can determine whatever you dehydration, blood Christine test. Your doctor may order blood Christine test that include complicated blood count, comprehensive metabolic panel to measure the electron in your blood. The test will determine what you are: dehydration, malnutrition, anemic, ultrasound use sound wave wave to product image of your baby. The doctor then use this image and sound the check your baby is developing at healthy rate.
Wow, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. The information and profit in very clear and happy volley. With the explaining you provide and I can understand it.
Yes, ma'am. Is there anything you want to explain again?
That's Sam. I want to ask.
Okay, see you.
Okay, see you.
Begitu. Terima kasih.
Sekian dialog dari kami kelompok 1 tentang morning sickness.
Sampai jumpa.